I'm really excited today because I just got access right now to Manus, a new AI tool from China that apparently is blowing everybody away. First of all, thanks to Nat from Brand Nat here, who ran a contest and I got access early. So thank you, Nat. I'm really excited here because I really want to see what the advanced analysis features of this particular tool are. Specifically, and I haven't ran a single prompt yet. This is actually really the first time I'm just recording this directly. I want to know how it would analyze one of our landing page reports. So what we do here with my agency SEO Leverage is that we analyze where do people come in to a website. I have here the different landing pages. We have some mapped keywords here. We have sessions over the different months. We track high intent, we track conversion rate, we track average position, etc. So quite a few details, and do this month after month in a spreadsheet. So I really want to know what is actually happening here, and if Manus can actually figure out some patterns, figure out what we should be focusing on. So what I'm going to do is right now, as the first prompt here, I'm going to upload this CSV file. I'm just saying uploading. This was something that's historically very, very hard to do with AI tools. Specifically, they get a lot of things wrong when it comes to URLs in general. So I need to enable here some notifications apparently. Let's see how this works. I would expect the first days it's probably slow. It might have some issues or come up with formats, etc. But really, I have no idea. Let's see what Manus is going to do with this file and see what's going on here. So I can also click on this screen. It's actually reading the file apparently. Okay, Manus computer. The interesting thing from what I have seen from Manus so far is that the prompts are very often very short and still produce a really, really good outcome. So this is an interesting step we always see on Manus here in the different videos. It's creating essentially a task list, what is necessary in order to actually come up with this final outcome. So we have the landing page report has been read, understood. Now the conversion metrics need to be analyzed, high intent metrics. Apparently it has been writing a Python script for analysis here. This is an interesting one. This is definitely hard to do manually to figure out where the intent is, but the conversion doesn't happen. That here we are 15 minutes in, 16 minutes in. I let this run because I obviously want to make sure I show you the outcome. So after a while, I lost patience and just the terminal is stuck. And it just wrapped this up very, very quickly. And when we go through the findings, I want to highlight a few things. So first of all, it established, like I said initially, when we saw the protocol, it established very, very quickly entry points into this analysis that actually make a lot of sense. Intent to conversion makes a lot of sense. Quick wins make a lot of sense. High opportunity pages were identified nicely. We see implementation strategies, how to go about this. A/B testing makes sense as well to a certain extent in SEO. But then also we have a specific landing page report. We have the 10 URLs to focus on with the current data and the recommendation, which also shows us what should be done. Call to action, for example, needs to be improved if the conversion rate is low, these kinds of things. So intent to conversion gap is also an interesting one. Users are high intent behaviors but not converting. So this is where we track people who behave like an interested user but don't take the next step. So we can work on that as well. So all in all, the first experiment with Manus was really, really good.